What I wish I knew about CMMC AB regulations before getting tangled in red tape. It's time to demystify compliance. Today we're diving into the world of CMMC AB regulations. That's the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification Accreditation body, in case you were wondering. If you're a business owner working with government contracts, listen up. First off, CMMC AB is all about protecting sensitive information. Think of it as your business's cybersecurity shield. The regulations set the standards you need to meet to stay in the game. There are 5 levels of certification, each one more rigorous than the last. Level 1 is basic cyber hygiene, a bit like washing your hands before dinner. Level 5, though, that's like being a cybersecurity ninja. Why should you care? Non-compliance means no contracts. It's that simple. And trust me, the government isn't handing out second chances. So what do you need to do? Start by identifying your current level. Perform a self-assessment or hire a certified third-party assessor. Then create a plan to level up your security practices. Remember, staying compliant not only keeps you in business, but it also keeps our national security robust. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more essential tips. Stay compliant, stay ahead.